All right, we're back. And last time we spoke, we talked about the living in the unknown. And when we live in the unknown, that creates stress in our life, and which creates this stress response or fight or flight mechanism that we talked about over and over. All right. And when we in that stress response, we know that blood pressure goes up, blood sugar goes up. All those different things are supposed to happen. It's a normal physiological response to stress in your life. Your body's not messing up. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do to save your life. Now, that's not a place we want to live, though. Because if we live there constantly over and over and over for long periods of time, then it's going to break us down physiologically, physically, and mentally. Just the way it is. We were not made to live in that stress response under all this stress. So what can we do to neutralize that effect and bring us out of that fight or flight mechanism on a regular basis? Because it's got to be done on a regular basis. So the number one thing that's going to bring you out of fight or flight mechanism and change brain activity is a chiropractic adjustment. Right? Studies have shown that when we adjust you and we make an adjustment, a specific adjustment, removing interference and putting that good motion back in your spine, getting that good feedback back to the brain, what it does is it brings your brain activity, your brain waves from beta waves, which are the fight or flight mechanism, all right, back into what we call alpha waves, which are relaxing and calming waves. All right? Cool stuff. Heidi Havoc out down in New Zealand, a lot of studies that are being done on this. So when we're in a time of stress, do we need more chiropractic or less? Yeah, we need more. I'm telling you, I live this thing. All right, so if I'm under more stress, trying to keep a business open, having to jump through hoops, trying to follow the guidelines, all this stuff, and I'm under more stress, guess what? I'm getting adjusted more often. I get adjusted at least once a week and sometimes twice, depending on my stress level. All right, so that's the number one thing that you can do for your family, yourself, to bring you out of that fight or flight beta waves area back into alpha waves where you can heal and be in a calming state and not in that survival state. All right. So in this time where we're going through all this stuff, we're coming into the holidays, more stresses, more travel, more family time, all this stuff, you need more chiropractic adjustments than less. So the whole key is stay on schedule. If you're not under care, get back under care, because you're going to save your life through this stuff, all right? And take care of yourself, because if not, then you will break down. You will age quicker. You will just, the process is serious, all right? So hopefully this has been informative, all right? And hopefully you act on this. All you have to do is call our office, okay? And Jasmine, they will get you in, all right? So on the next video, what I want to do is go over some more things. Once we have a healthy nervous system and are getting adjusted, what else can we do to bring ourselves back into alpha waves, out of that fight or flight, and allow us to adapt to our environment in the best way? Stay tuned.